Welcome back, adventurers. Today, we're diving into the world of off-road exploration with the 2024 Honda XR650L, a legendary machine renowned for its durability and performance in the wild. Let's embark on this journey together and uncover what makes this dual-sport motorcycle a force to be reckoned with. The XRL is a tall motorcycle. Coupled with high foot pegs intended to maximize ground clearance and a low handlebar, the ergos are fairly uncompromising considering dual-purpose motorcycles are all about compromise. The XR650L's nicely padded, medium-width, motocross-style seat and short fuel tank allow riders to get their weight over the front end of the bike in corners for positive front-end feel. First up, let's talk power. The heart of the XR650L is its robust 644 cubic centimeters SOHC air-cooled single-cylinder engine, boasting a 4-valve configuration. With a bore and stroke of 100.0 by 82.0 millimeters, this powerhouse produced 34.05 horsepower at 6,120 RPM and 31.42 pound-ft of torque at 5,320 RPM when last on the CW dyno, ensuring you have the grunt to tackle any adventure that comes your way. Paired with a smooth 5-speed transmission and a chain final drive, the XR650L offers precise control over its power delivery, allowing riders to seamlessly navigate through various terrains with confidence. But it's not just about raw power. Honda has equipped the XR650L with top-tier suspension components, including a 43mm conventional telescopic Showa fork with compression damping adjustability and a fully adjustable Pro-Link Showa shock at the rear. With 11.6 inches of front travel and 11.0 inches at the rear, this machine eats bumps for breakfast, ensuring a plush ride even in the most unforgiving environments. Bringing this beast to a halt are reliable brakes, with a 2-piston caliper gripping a 256mm disc at the front and a 1-piston caliper on a 220mm disc at the rear. Meanwhile, the spoked wheels wrapped in 3.00 to 21 front and 4.60 to 18 rear tires provide the necessary traction to tackle dirt, gravel, or asphalt with ease. The 2024 Honda XR650L uses a semi-double cradle steel frame. With full-size off-road wheels, 21 front, 18 rear, and 13 inches of ground clearance, the XRL is ready for the dirt. With a seat height of 37.0 inches, the XR650L offers a commanding stance while still maintaining rider comfort and control. Plus, with a fuel capacity of 2.8 gallons and a wet weight of just 346 pounds, you'll spend less time worrying about refueling and more time exploring the great outdoors. In conclusion, the 2024 Honda XR650L is not just a motorcycle, it's a ticket to adventure. Whether you're conquering rugged trails, cruising down the highway, or simply seeking freedom in the great outdoors, this machine has got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your gear, fire up the engine, and let the journey begin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling adventures and motorcycle reviews. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring.